beginning, there was only the whiteboard. Then the teacher used the marker to divide the heaven and the earth, and to helpfully label them as heaven and as earth. What happened to the gods in heaven tended to mirror what happened to the humans on earth. That is, what happened in the religion tended to symbolize what happened in the region. So when up in heaven and Earth Mother was defeated by a Sky Father, down on Earth, perhaps a matriarchal society was defeated by a patriarchal society. And when up in heaven, an older Sky Father who was also a national god was defeated by a newer Sky Father who was also a national god. Down on Earth, the older Sky Father's nation was perhaps defeated by the newer Sky Father's nation. That is, when a nation became the supreme power in the region, its national god became the supreme power in the religion. So, for example, when in the Enuma Elish, the Earth Mother Tiamat is defeated by a Sky Father such as Marduk, that may be a symbolic representation of a matriarchal society being replaced by a patriarchal society in ancient Mesopotamia. And when an older Sky Father, such as Enlil, who was the god of Sumeria, is replaced by a newer Sky Father, such as Marduk, who was the god of Babylonia, that may be a symbolic representation of Babylonia supplanting Sumeria as the supreme power in Mesopotamia. And when in a later version of the Enuma Elish, Marduk is supplanted by Ashur, the god of Assyria, that may be a symbolic representation of Assyria supplanting Babylonia as the supreme power in the region. So remember, what happened in the religion tended to symbolize what happened in the region.